Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make curry pork. As you can see, all the ingredients is here. They're using the Chief curry. This is one of the best curry we've been cooking for a long time, and you can get it in any Oriental store or West Indian store. We have the habanero pepper, seasoning, bandania, garlic, onions, and we have the curry here, the same curry, 3 tablespoons of curry. We have a chopped onion. We have the curry pile, also known as curry leaves, black pepper, and salt. And we have a coleslaw here. That's for me. It's a Friday. So I'm going to season the pork. Put the seasoning in there. Some salt, black pepper, smells nice. So I'm going to heat up the pot, get some oil in. I'll get that hot, and then I'll put the ingredients in and start cooking. I'm going to put the onions in. Let this fry up for about maybe a minute or two. I have 3 tablespoons of curry. Good. You've also got to fry up with it. Put the water in. Gotta patch the curry for at least a couple minutes. So after 2 minutes, the curry has burned nicely. And now I'm going to add the pork in. I'm going to leave it to cook at least 20-25 minutes. You can check and add water if you need to, but sometimes it springs its own water. I'm going to put half of that habanero pepper. It's really, really hot. So after 10 minutes, this is what we got. Boiling nicely. I think another 15 minutes, it should be okay. So after half an hour, it's finished. I left some sauce in it so you can eat with rice or roti. It's nice and tender. So now that the curry pork is finished, after half an hour, it cooked, very tender, and we're gonna eat it with some rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.